All right, this place needs no introduction. Behind us is the Airshow practice. F-35 is getting ready to fly, but I'm going to show you the lighthouse, of course. Let's take a walk. F-35, you're going to hear it too. Cool looking house over there. And as everybody knows, ghost hunters were here and did a full investigation. And so it's that time of, there he is. That's the F-35 taking off right there. Wow. All right, man, that F-35 is really getting it. I may have to stray the camera away. It's a 19th century well right there. Look at all that change on it right there. We will, there's the sign right there. See its greetings. There's the keeper cellar. And that badass F-35 flying around right now. Oil shed. And I think it got it locked. I think they had it open before, but we'll walk around. We'll walk on the inside real quick. The F-35, man. Baby's loud. Going over the keeper's quarters now. Wow, look at this. Some things they found here. Now, I've been here a few times on a few ghost hunts. And I remember a lot of this. And this place is haunted. They got footsteps upstairs. And look at that front gate. A long time ago. And that must be the keeper right there. Hopefully, a little later on, we're going to walk over where they found the child's. There's 2 children that are buried over there. They found there was an old cabin. So. Probably some of the stuff, bottle collection found on the property, looks like. So this guy here was the Walter P. Roberts, second assistant keeper, Pensacola Lighthouse, 1919 to 1921. Bronze gargoyle, 1854. F-35 making the noise, and you know there's no secret this base is haunted, and I strongly recommend come in and take
what you and the other person do for a living?
I will say as a life on a ship is very demanding. You have to have a special kind of significant other, I guess, wife to be able to tolerate it. And it's in any military service, obviously. I'm married.
In their restoration efforts. After all, lighthouses have saved many thousands of lives. Isn't it about time we save them? Become a lighthouse lover
The lens right
and
there.
light you up for life.
Fourth order Fresnel lens. 1861. You're talking Civil War back then too. Have a look around. Some lands. I'm not sure what room this is here. Look at these chairs. Can you imagine just being back here in the 1800s? Wow. Martha Lawrence was the last one to officially serve at Lighthouse Pensacola. She was appointed the second keeper in 1880. Senator Lawrence was the head keeper in 1877. Pretty awesome. This is the assistant keeper's room here. And look at this gold mirror right here. Look at that. USS Marion medicine chest. So that was off the USS Marion. That's pretty neat. It's nice and quiet now. F-35 was making some racket, man. And this is the assistant keepers. It's quiet now. I might do an EVP session here. Oh, I thought that cat was real. Yeah, they had footsteps up here. They had I think that hour's fine right now. Take some pictures. Walk down here now. This is another place where the assistant keeper was. Oh man, look at this. Oh man, look at this down here. I love the smell of the old brick and the, wow. And this is called the knee. of the USS Constitution. Man, that's amazing. Piece of history here. Wow. Take a few more pictures. Yeah, this is really cool. Hey, thanks for joining me. Got the air show going on and a little noisy, but you know, and I live in Pensacola. I don't get over here enough. Here we are outside. It's quiet down a little bit, but got a little house over there, and we're gonna walk up inside the lighthouse real quick, and I'm gonna go slow this time. Blues are gonna fly at 2, so gotta kind of hurry here. There's the Gulf right over there. Right there. So yeah, it was noisy, and I'll do another video over here. The cool thing about it is there's really nobody here. And that's why. So we're gonna attempt to go up and come right back down, because the Blues are gonna fly, and usually people are at the top, but we're gonna take our time going up, because last time it hurt me pretty bad. So here we go. Oh man. Here we go. Oh.
Good afternoon.
How are you? Here we go. Oh, and I'm going to take my time this time. Ain't no big hurry. I'm not gonna go all the way up. I'm gonna go right here though. I'll take you right here. So the reason why I'm not gonna go all the way up is because there's a long way to go, and last time was I got sore, and the Blues are gonna be flying here in about an hour, and I've got a little more filming to do around here, but I just wanted to show you this. Kind of like the St. Augustine Lighthouse, actually. So, all right, just wanted to show you. A whole bunch of people just showed up. They're all going in right now, so that kind of worked out good. It's quiet. The planes aren't flying right now. And here's another look. And I want to show you something too. And as we walk back around, show you one more thing. That was awesome. It was a little noisy at first, but absolutely amazing. And there's another look. Another look, man. But I got something else to show you here. And thanks for joining me, Sean with Suncoast Films. Got one more thing to show you. We're gonna walk over there real quick. It was just on. It's just on Ghost Hunters. Okay, what you're seeing here is where they found the, there was a cabin that was buried, and I'm not going to get too close to it, but there's where two children were buried here, somewhere out here in this area. And there's also, if you look back there, there's also tape back there also, way back there. You see that tape? Yeah. And that's where they found more things, and there's no telling what's on this property. And there's little flags there. I'm not sure what that's about, but I mean, look at these oaks. And they say these oaks are haunted right here. And so. Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a little insert here. What had happened is the archaeologists that found the cabin out there, they found a burial plot with an adult and looks like 2 children. And that'd be Charles Hart and his His daughter was Lucinda, 10, and Lewis was 7. And they when they were excavating it, they found the bones. So it's very haunted back there. And there's those oak trees. If you watch, it was I'm going to put the season up here at the end. Someone was choked back here, so it's very, very haunted back here. I was going to try to get permission to walk back further, but I didn't. So, but anyway, that's what happened. Is the archaeologists found that, and the place is starting to get very, very active, and they're going to start building a museum for African Americans in the back that helped keep the lighthouse up. So there'll be more coming back there, but it's still very, very haunted. Like I said, I'm not going to get too much further because it's roped off, but and there's more over that way too. So anyway, this is Sean with Suncoast Films. Ghost hunters are just out here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk to you soon. Man, look at those oaks.